This is why 95% of people are never going to make a single dollar online. You can go to Facebook, type in free, and get a ton of free stuff, fix it up, and sell it for money on the same exact marketplace. I hate Facebook. You could get a microphone like this one for $100 and record yourself doing voiceovers and sell them on Fiverr. That microphone costs money? This must be a scam. Okay, you could build a website and print hats and sell them for no money down because it's print on demand. I don't know how to build a website. Okay, you could just keep doing the same thing you're doing now and work at a job that you hate forever. Yeah, I'll probably do that. First, I'm gonna leave some more negative comments on your channel. Online millionaires don't make excuses, they figure it out. If you want a place to start, click the link in my bio.